Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Robinhood without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Robinhood without any hassle. Buying Bitcoin might seem complicated at first, but with Robinhood's user-friendly app, it's simpler than you'd think. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you get started confidently. First, you need to have a Robinhood account. If you don't have one already, download the Robinhood app from your app store and sign up by entering your personal information and verifying your identity. This verification usually involves providing a government-issued ID and some basic details about your financial background. Once your account is set up and verified, the next step is to add funds. Link your bank account to Robinhood by navigating to the Transfers tab and selecting Add Funds. Input the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that bank transfers can take a couple of days to clear. Now, once your funds are available in your Robinhood account, open the app and tap the search bar at the top. Type Bitcoin or simply BTC to locate the cryptocurrency. You will see Bitcoin listed along with its current price and recent performance. To buy, tap on Bitcoin, then tap the Buy button. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Robinhood allows you to buy fractional shares, so you can invest as little or as much as you want. Before completing your purchase, double-check the transaction details, including the amount and fees, if any. When everything looks good, confirm your order by swiping up or hitting the Submit button. Your order will be executed almost instantly. After your purchase, you can track the performance of your Bitcoin investment directly within the Robinhood app. Keep an eye on market trends and use Robinhood's tools like price alerts to stay informed. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency involves risks, so it's wise to only invest what you can afford to lose and consider diversifying your investments. That's it for buying Bitcoin on Robinhood. Simple, fast, and accessible for everyone wanting to enter the crypto market. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more crypto trading guides and updates.